if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance enhancements for games. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Start by reducing options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help alleviate strain on your system and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Enable VSync or G-Sync. If your monitor supports it, enable VSync or G-Sync in the game settings or your GPU control panel. This can help synchronize the frame rate with your monitor's refresh rate, minimizing screen tearing and stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that consume a lot of CPU or RAM can interfere with game performance, so freeing up resources can help reduce stuttering. Step 5. Check for overheating. Ensure your system is not overheating, as high temperatures can lead to throttling and performance drops. Clean your PC's fans and ensure proper airflow. Consider using monitoring software to check your CPU and GPU temperatures while gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.